Welcome to Spice and Pans. Subscribe to our channel for our recipes weekly.
First, let me show you how to choose the fish head. The eyes must be clear like this, and the flesh must be firm to touch. You can ask the fishmonger to split it open for you, and you can ask them to cut into smaller pieces. But for me, actually, I prefer it this way, and I like to cut it myself because then I can choose what kind of size I want it to be. So now I'll show you just how to clean it off. We need to rid the fish of all this blood over here. As you can see, there's a lot of blood over here. This is what causes the fishy smell and fishy taste. So we need to clear everything up. So just take a small knife. Okay, along the skin here, just make some line cuts like this. Put it open. Okay, you can see there's a lot of all this blood over here. This we all need to clear all this. Right, all this need to be cleared. So just dislodge this a little bit like this. Turn up the water to a small trickle. Okay, I'm using a toothbrush that I got from my overseas travel, those disposable toothbrush. So just rinse it under and just brush it off like this. Okay, remember, the cleaner you make it, the tastier your fish head will be, because it will be less fishy. Just continue to do this with the other fish head, the other side of the fish head, and you're done. So now we've finished one of the side. This is the one that I've cleaned already. As you can see, it's free of any blood. This one is still full of the blood, so I'm going to clean this piece now. So this is how it should look like when it's clean. Now we're going to season the fish head. First, you need to chop them up into smaller pieces like this. If you think that you have a problem chopping this up, you can actually ask your fishmonger to do this for you. Don't cut them into too small a piece because they will disintegrate if you boil them for long in the soup. So what we need, very simple. 1 big tablespoon of fresh ginger juice. Grate some ginger, squeeze them out. This is the fresh ginger juice. Right, pour them all in. 1 teaspoon of salt. Now the purpose of seasoning the fish head is, for the ginger juice is to get rid of the fishiness. The salt is to add a little bit of taste into the fish. This is what we want. And of course, white pepper. Mix them up well and put them in the fridge for at least half an hour. Now I'm going to show you how to clean the chicken feet. Basically, we just clip this last section off, the nails. We don't need that. Just clip it off like this, very simple. And if you tend to see some chicken eye, which is the rough spot over here, just cut them off, snip them off also. But this is very nice, so it's okay. So another piece, I'll just show you again. Snip off the nails, the last section itself, very simple. Just cut it off like this. Be very careful, don't cut yourself. And of course the last claw. After you've done this, put in 1 teaspoon or so of salt. Massage them through thoroughly. You just want to clean them off. After that, all you need to do is just rinse them and blanch them, and they are ready to be made into soup.